Jensen Huang declares that the software industry is being swallowed by the service industry, which is 100 times larger, as autonomous AI agents begin to replace human workers. He reveals that the shift to agentic AI has already triggered a 1,000% explosion in computational demand, proving that AI is no longer just a tool but is now performing useful work on its own.
Gives you the confidence to say you're going to hit 30 billion plus sub-revenue by 2030.
When I came in 2019, we were a $3.5 billion company. Now we add a ServiceNow every year. This year we're projecting to be nearly a 16 billion company. Right now we have a 28 billion RPO. So we're growing faster than any other enterprise software company at scale in the world ever happened. We yesterday said to the financial analysts we were going to double the company again, and we would do that by 2030. And the company right now is really focused on a couple of things. One is agentic business. You know, we have to be the agentic front door. We work with great companies like NVIDIA, the great Jensen, the great NVIDIA. We announced Project Arc. You'll hear about that today. I'm sure Jensen will have some thoughts on it. But we want to manage the identities of the humans and the agents. We treat the agents just like the humans, so the rules and rails can complement this great AI revolution. The enterprise is a pretty messy thing, so we clarify it, we clean the mess up, and we make sure that the AI is secure. And I think that is a big breakthrough, and we told that story yesterday, and people really liked it.
Jensen, tell me about, I mean, this is at least the third time that I'm seeing you here at Knowledge. We're talking with an application software company. You've talked about this 5-layer cake with energy, chips, you know, platform, and applications at the top necessary to really make AI work. Why is the application layer not just important, but long-term profitable, do you think? Why does that need to happen, and why is ServiceNow one to watch for you?
This is one of the greatest transformations for the software industry ever. For the first time, service is software. Software is service. And the service industry is 100 times larger than the software industry. And so now, for the very first time, you're going to have human agents that are, of course, managed and supported by ServiceNow, augmented with AI agents that are going to be working autonomously, working with humans, and they're all going to need identity management, access control, network control, all of the things that companies do with respect to regulation and compliance and governance. All of that has to be provisioned, whether you're human or an agent. And in the future, of course, out at the edge, robotic systems. All of these autonomous systems, the time has now finally come. Now, of course, for our industry, for the rest of the 5-layer cake, it's completely revolutionary because AI, agentic AI, needs to be processed in real time. Unlike software of the past that's pre-recorded, you could put it in storage, retrieve it as you need it. Today's software needs to be processed completely in real time. The amount of computation necessary from generative AI 2 years ago to now agentic AI, it has gone up 1,000%. Because the AI now has to read a lot more, use tools, reason, generate a lot of tokens. Not only that, the amount of use has gone up orders of magnitude, because now for the first time, AI is doing work. It's doing useful work, and the return on that investment for software companies, for agentic companies like ServiceNow, is completely accretive. And so that time has finally arrived.